Welcome to this workshop on mastering AI prompts. Today, we are going to learn how to communicate with AI effectively and actually build a working to-do application. We will focus on practical, hands-on techniques rather than heavy theory. Here is our plan for this video. We will cover the definition of a prompt, different types of prompting strategies, how to structure prompts for better results, and finally, we will dive into a practical, step-by-step project to build your own to-do application. So what is a prompt? Simply put, it is the instruction you give to an AI to get a useful response. Think of it like a very powerful search engine, or like giving specific commands to an expert. The quality of the AI's output directly depends on the clarity of your instructions. We can break prompts down into 5 types. They range from basic, general requests to highly structured, iterative commands that build complex projects. As we progress in this video, we will see how moving from basic to specific, role-based prompts significantly improves our results. Using JSON for your prompts is an excellent way to keep complex instructions organized. AI models process structured data exceptionally well, making it easier to reuse and modify your requests. It is a highly recommended practice for any multi-part development task. To reach what we call God mode in prompting, we use the RCCOS formula. This acronym stands for Role, Context, Constraints, Output, and Steps. By providing these 5 elements in your prompt, you give the AI everything it needs to perform at its highest capability. When you assemble these pieces into a full prompt, you get highly specific results. This formula ensures the AI stays focused on your goal, respects your defined limits, follows your requested structure, and executes the tasks exactly in the step-by-step order you provided. Now, let's look at our project. We are building a real to-do application using only AI-generated code. We will use a standard web stack of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single file, with the AI of your choice as our development assistant. These are the features our app will include: task creation, marking tasks as complete, deleting, local storage for saving data, filtering, and a dark mode interface. We will prompt the AI to build each of these functionalities piece by piece. Before we begin, familiarize yourself with this UI breakdown. We have an app header, an input section with an add button, filter tabs, and the list of task items. Visualizing the structure will help us construct effective prompts to build the interface. Our development workflow follows a simple loop. Write a prompt using the formula, generate the code, run it in your browser, debug any issues by feeding the errors back into the AI, and then iteratively improve the application by adding new features. For step 1, write your God mode prompt. Use the RCCOS formula we discussed. Use the checklist on the screen to verify that you have defined your role, cleared your context, set your constraints, defined the output, and specified the steps before you hit enter. Once you have your code, copy it into a to-do HTML file and open it in your browser. If you encounter errors, don't worry. That is part of the process. Simply copy the error message, paste it back to the AI, and ask it to fix the issue. Your first version is just the starting point. You can continue to improve your application by using iterative prompts. Whether you want to add due dates, priority tags, counters, mobile responsiveness, or animations, you can build them all by simply adding more prompts. Now it is your turn. Take 20 minutes to work through these steps. Write your prompt, generate your code, test the features, and try adding at least one new improvement. Good luck and have fun building your project. Let's review the final requirements for your app. Check your work against this list. Ensure you have a header, a working input and add button, functional filtering, persistent local storage, and a polished dark-themed interface. How many of these features does your application currently support? The best developers do not just code, they know how to ask. You have just successfully built a real application using AI. Take pride in that achievement and imagine what else you can create next. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but your ability to guide it is your greatest skill. Great work today.